Okay, so you're probably wondering what I ordered now. Well, stay tuned because you're about to find out.
Welcome to noprosrc. Enemies.
We got quite a haul this time around. If you're new to the channel, you probably don't know that when I had a local track that was only like a half an hour away, I used to run Mini Z's. So yeah, then one thing led to another and they're no longer an entity. So what I want to do here at noprosrc is probably do like a weekend thing myself, do like a local Mini Z track on my own just to see how it pans out. I'm still in the early stages. I acquired 2 tracks. The RCP Mini Z tracks are expensive, and here lately the prices just went way up. So I'm glad I did get a couple when I was able to, but if I wanted to acquire a decent one now, you're looking at $700 to $1,000, and that's just ridiculous. I'm basically just starting small. Y'all have to excuse me, I'm rambling. But anyway, let's just go ahead and show you what we did get. Now these right here, these are like beginner Mini Z cars. So like this guy here, which is my McLaren. Just leave her like that. Yep, she's dusty because again, I haven't done anything Mini Z for probably like almost a year now since the track closed. And this was like the last one I acquired, along with that guy there. And this yellow one here is the one that I first started off with, and that was an all-wheel drive, and that's when I was a noob to the hobby. I'm still a noob to the hobby. I'm not a noob like I was, but I'm still a noob. But I was getting better, and then all of a sudden, boom, track closes. So long story short, I just figured, well, let's just see if I can do something like on the weekends or something, you know, just to see how it goes. So I have the tracks. We just now got the starter cars, because something like the McLaren, you don't want to start off users with that. You want to start off with something like this, and then just, you know, then you can work your way up, because there's levels to this. So this first one is, it looks like it's from an anime series. I have no idea what this character or who this character is, but it is an RX-7. I think I got a total of 6 cars to start off. And here we got the Shelby Cobra with the dude inside. Here we have, I forgot what kind of car this is, but this is also from an animated series. So that's kind of the problem when you really love RCs. You see things like this and it gets kind of hard to imagine a 6 or 10-year-old on the track and they're playing bumper cars and they're just tearing the body up. And it's like, ugh, that costs money, kid. Just get around the track carefully without destroying the car, because yeah, repairs cost money. But we'll see. This RX-7 here probably will not make the track. Now when I bought these with the intentions, my intentions was putting them on the track, but if you just look at the detail on these, yeah, I don't, these probably won't even come out the box. I'm just saying. And I probably won't need as many cars. You know, I'm just starting this thing, so I probably won't need as many cars to start. So maybe just a couple cars just to see how things go, and if things pick up, then, you know, I can acquire more. So yeah, this one, that will definitely hit the track. The Shelby, no sir. The Cobra with the dude in it, no, that will not hit the track. And if you notice, they're called my first Mini Z. Well, first Mini Z. The GTR, I may do it, because I think I have a GTR body. I think. If I don't, then this one will not make it. So right now I'm only looking at two cars. This one and this older RX-7, which may make the track, or it may not. Oh, this is so tough. This sucks, guys. Now it's like, you know what? I might have to order this one again, and this one again, and this one again, and then those can be open. But they look so good, I just don't. But moving on here, what is this? I didn't order this. Did they send me? Yo, they must have sent me a gift, because I didn't. This wasn't in my. Oh wow, guys, AMAIN, shout out to AMAIN. They sent me a gift, because I didn't order these. All I ordered was the first Mini Z's. Oh man, whoever sent me these, thank you so much. The Nissan Skyline GT R2000. Wow. AMAIN, I appreciate that. Thank you so much. That is crazy. I did give them a lot of business, I ain't gonna lie. This isn't the first time that I ordered from them, but this is the first time I got a gift from them, so thank you so much. So shout out to AMAIN Hobbies. If you want to order something, the link will definitely be down in the description below. I recommend them highly, especially for Mini Z's and all your other RC needs. I highly recommend them. Check out their website. You will not be disappointed. Very fast shipping. I ordered this September 6th, which was last week, and it is September 10th, Tuesday, and it's here. That's crazy. So yes, definitely give them a look. And yeah, I don't want to hold you guys, so I just wanted to give you a little boxing, not unboxing, so to speak, of my latest RC collection. And out of all of these, out of the 6, I think only one will make the track, so I'll probably have to end up buying more. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so you can make the YouTube algorithm happy. It would also make me happy, so other RC enthusiasts or other want to be RC enthusiasts can check out noprosrc. And don't forget to also hit that notification bell so you know when we drop new videos. Alright, which one is your favorite? Drop a comment down in below to let me know which one is your favorite. Would you run these cars on the Mini Z track, or would you keep them in the box as collector items? Let me know. I want to hear from you. Alright, that's what the chat's for. And come on guys, hit that subscribe button. Costs you nothing, it's free. If you got a Gmail account, just hit that subscribe button. It's really that easy. Click and you're done. Alright, with that being said, I'm gonna let you guys go. Stay tuned for the next video We are still going to be doing some more things with the TikTok RC polar lights. That's going to be coming up this weekend. I still have to take it to the skate park as promised. I will do so, so you definitely want to stay tuned for that. And yeah, once again, shout out to AMAIN Hobbies for hooking noprosrc up. That was freaking awesome. They really didn't have to do this, but I'm glad they did, because I'm going to add these to my collection. Sheesh. That is so nice. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. I appreciate all the love and support from you guys. Yeah. We're going to try to make this happen, y'all. So, and you guys are going to be with me along on the journey. I'm out. Y'all be easy. Peace.